XRP is preparing for the largest bull market rally it's ever registered in years. In line with expert financial stakeholders and cryptocurrency analysts' comments, the XRP coin may be at the cusp of a primary bull run, perhaps about to record the most significant highs ever to be seen throughout the history of this digital asset. I know this might sound silly to a lot of you guys, but an investment as low as $100 in an asset with intrinsic value is worth $1 million more than investing in all of these pump and dump coins. Because you never know what will happen to the price tomorrow. To follow the latest trends on this lawsuit, XRP's pricing, and cryptocurrencies in general, I would advise that you stay tuned to this channel. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and pinned comment. Before we get into the main content of this video, looking at the price predictions for XRP in coming years and all, allow me to bring you guys up to date on certain information. It's no longer news that these other altcoins tend to follow the most dominant cryptocurrency on the planet, Bitcoin. Some of them are modeled after Bitcoin, hence the name tag altcoins, which means alternative coins. So literally, if Bitcoin hits a bull run, these other alternatives to Bitcoin are expected to follow suit, only usually registering a bit more gains than Bitcoin. Having a market dominance of more than 45% on an asset class pegged at $1 trillion makes this trend a recurring one, notwithstanding the outcome of last year's dip for XRP due to the drop in prices throughout the entire market. And of course, given the SEC lawsuit which drastically affected XRP even when the whole market was beginning to gain momentum at the time. But when there was a slight increase in Bitcoin's price, other currencies followed suit, including XRP. The whole idea of investing in any asset is getting in at the perfect entry point, the real momentum, the right footing, so that you can make good gains when the value of that investment starts to take shape. From all indications, this is just about the right time to delve into the XRP market. Granted, the price of the digital asset is almost at its all-year low right now. Think about this. If you had invested, say, $100 in XRP precisely 5 years from now, when the price of a single XRP token was around half a cent, then you would have made now about $10,000. $100 5 years ago would have gotten you somewhere between 15 to 20,000 tokens. At current prices, that investment would be worth roughly $10,000. Many people believe that to become a millionaire with XRP, you'd have to hodl on to the digital asset until its price reaches $5,000. But tell you what, if you'd invested $1,000 back in 2016, and we did the same math, you'd have about $100,000 now. If you had added another zero to that investment, $10,000, by now, you'd have almost $1 million. So rolling back to our supposed $100 investment that would have gotten you nearly $10,000. If we were to take that investment pool of about $10,000 while still having it invested in XRP, what do you think would be your profit margin in the next few years when XRP's price would have hit 2 to 3 figures? You'd probably be raking in profits to the tune of millions of dollars. Even amidst the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, the blockchain payment firm has continued to make power moves that would otherwise get the everyday investors wallowing in confusion. Just as it has incited the curiosity of adept crypto heads, sending out large swathes of these XRP coins from its escrow to its partners in a bid to facilitate its business processes. Throughout 2021, Ripple assigned more partnerships than any other blockchain firm on the planet. Due to the platform's reduced toll on the environment and super-fast transaction completion time, all thanks to the intrinsic value proposition of its native currency, XRP, which has helped the fintech startup garner the attention of world-leading financial stakeholders, and making it not just the bank's favorite when it comes to digital currency payment processing, but also gaining the endorsement from many institutions to be the bridge currency between central bank digital currencies. Not to mention endorsements from the International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, and the World Economic Forum, which happens to be the sole promoter of the Great Reset, a movement that's guaranteed to cause a paradigm shift in the entire world's financial order. With this, you could see that this lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC wouldn't impact Ripple as a company. The longevity of the XRP coin is undisputed at this point. Considering all of these partnerships and endorsements that Ripple currently enjoys, XRP is here to stay. And not even an ongoing lawsuit or the SEC can squash the progress of this digital asset. As we're all well aware, the entire crypto world is very concerned about what would happen to Ripple Labs and its native asset XRP regarding the SEC lawsuit. The outcome of this case will eventually set the standard for cryptocurrency classifications in the US going forward. This begs the question, how possible is it for XRP to hit such highs come the near future? The XRP price analysis is said to have had a planned pump at the beginning of February 2021. This was supposed to bring the price close to 80 cents, but shockingly, within hours of the pump, the price fell drastically to 35 cents. Although there was a trend that the price maintains a constant mark around 44 cents, this is correct. Still, since the last working day in that month, the price gained considerable momentum, thereby initiating an uptrend going close to 50 cents. But there have been no signs of stopping for this coin, all thanks to the bull run and the impending one by the end of the year. Bearing this information at heart, you could see why a lot of these speculations are based on the massive signals for the most extensive bull run in years to come. XRP as a token has the potential to do better, given its footing in the conventional financial ecosystem. And even though the right horizon still tends to remain stranded between 55 cents and 74 cents, this price range is without volatility, and it's encouraged that speculators didn't see this as XRP price failures. By the end of June, XRP's price was seen to have undergone an expansion of the trading range that's governed key actions about the speculations of XRP price failures. Like we always say here on the channel, having a dilemma on whether to invest in XRP in 2021 has been overtaken by these events and trends within the XRP space. You would know this if you were an ardent follower of the XRP community, and the best way to go about that is to stay tuned to this channel. We make insightful and exciting videos on up-to-date happenings in the Ripple space. Whether XRP investors are set to hit a significant milestone in the near future, with the asset possibly reaching 2 to 3 figures, maybe even $500 by the end of 2023, is not a valid question anymore. So what are you waiting for? Feel free to comment, share your thoughts on this in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Remember, you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description, and you can also support us on Patreon. See you next time.